இல்லை சார், உங்களுக்கு ஒன்றுமா? இவர் சார் கேட்குறாரு.
Check, check. Check this.
வணக்கம் சார். 2 தானே? பேசும்போது அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம்.
Check up from Madurai, please. Madurai.
Yes, sir.
My Lord R. Subramaniam from Madurai, can you start?
Yes, Chief.
Can you start the proceedings? Ready.
Yeah, all ready, Chief.
Thank you.
May I commence the proceedings, my lord?
Yes, please.
தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதிர் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே
My lord, now I read the notification issued by the Government of India. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer one Sri Justice Battu Devanand, Judge, Andhra Pradesh High Court, and to Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun, Judge, Telangana High Court, as judges of the Madras High Court, and to direct them to assume charge of their respective offices in the Madras High Court, signed Rajendra Gossip, Additional Secretary to the Government of India. I read the authorization given by the Hon'ble the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you, Mr. Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to Mr. Justice Battu Devanand, Judge of Andhra Pradesh High Court, and Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun, Judge of Telangana High Court, as judges of the Madras High Court, signed R.N. Ravi. I request Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun to take oath of office.
Yes.
I,
Devaraju Nagarjun,
having been transferred as a judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been transferred as judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability and knowledge and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Where is that warrant?
Thank you, my lord. I request the Learned Advocate General to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Justice T. Raja, Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. Devaraj Nagarajan, Madam Justice Nagarjun, Honorable Judge Mr. Justice Sambasivaram Naidu from Andhra Pradesh, the Telangana High Court, other friends and family members from Telangana High Court, Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, Learned Additional Solicitor General Thiru A.R.L. Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate Generals Thiruvalargal Haja Narsiruddin, Silamannan, Veera Kadiravan, Ramanlal, V. Arun, R. Bhaskaran, P. Kumaresan, R. Neelagandan, J. Ravindran, Learned State Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Mohammed Jinnah, Learned State Government Leader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned Government Leader Madurai Thiru P. Tilakumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Tamil Nadu at the Principal Bench at Chennai and Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Learned Public Prosecutor of Puducherry Thiru K.S. Mohan Das, Learned Government Leader of Puducherry Thiru S. Ravikumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Puducherry and Law Officers of the Union of India, Thiru Amalraj, Chairman of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Thiru Kamalnathan, President of Madras Bar Association, Thiru Mohan Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Tirumadi Louisal Ramesh, President of the Women Law Association, Thiru P. Selvaraj, President of the Law Association, and other law office bearers of the respective associations, the Registrar General Thiru P. Dhanapal, the officers and staff of the Registry of the Madras High Court at the principal seat and at the bench at Madurai, fellow senior advocates, beloved junior advocates, representatives of the electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen. My vanakkam and sincere greetings to all of you. We are here to welcome Honorable Justice Dr. Devaraj Nagarjun, who assumed office today as a judge of this Chartered High Court of Madras after being transferred from the Honorable Telangana High Court. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, I sincerely express my best wishes to His Lordship on this special occasion. Indeed, it gives me the utmost pleasure to welcome you to this Honorable High Court. Due to time constraint, I shall provide a brief introduction of His Lordship to this august forum. His Lordship Justice Dr. Devaraj Nagarjun was born on August 15th, 1962. You all know that August 15th is a very significant day, the day on which this country became independent in 1947. It's very important for this Honorable Madras High Court because on the very day in 1862, a century ago prior to His Lordship's birth, on 1862, August 15th, this High Court was inaugurated. So you have naturally an attachment to this Honorable High Court. His Lordship was born to a couple, Thiru Devaraj Ramakrishna Rao and Tirumadi Vimala Devi. His Lordship hails from Vanaparthi town in the erstwhile Mahbub Nagar district of Telangana. After completing his schooling from the government school, His Lordship graduated BSc from RLD College, Vanaparthi. Thereafter, he joined SSL Law College, Gulbarga, where he obtained his LLB. As soon as he enrolled as an advocate in 1986, He joined the office of his revered father, Thiru D. Ramakrishna Rao, and under his guidance, he practiced in the civil, criminal, and revenue courts. After being chosen as a junior civil judge in 1991, he was given the opportunity to work in the state judicial service. Thereafter, in 2004, he received promotion to senior civil judge. Eventually, His Lordship was promoted as a district judge in 2010. During his judicial service, His Lordship had served various places and in various capacities, including Principal Private Secretary to the Honorable Chief Justice, Assistant Director of Andhra Pradesh Police Academy, Registrar Administration, Registrar Recruitment, Registrar Judicial, and Registrar General in the High Court. Having 31 years of judicial experience, His Lordship was elevated as a judge of the Honorable High Court of Telangana on March 24, 2022. To state his academic accomplishments, His Lordship completed LLM in International Law from the most illustrious Osmania University. His Lordship received a fellowship in 2002 to research in international conflict resolution in the University of California, Berkeley. He also pursued MA in Asian Studies at the University of California. Subsequently, in 2013, the National Academy of Legal Studies and Research, that is NALSAR, in Hyderabad, awarded His Lordship a PhD for the thesis titled WTO, GATS and Globalization of Legal Services. Reflecting on His Lordship's journey thus far, any member of the legal fraternity would recognize the traits of discipline, diligence, and tenacious work. Furthermore, for proper appreciation, I would like to highlight a few of His Lordship's judgments here. In a case, A. Ravi versus State of Telangana, His Lordship held that there are no ingredients to hold the petitioners committed offence under 406, 420, 506 and 120 capital B of IPC, and when the de facto complainant is not legally wedded wife of the first petitioner, the order of cognizance under the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 is unjustified and subject to being quashed. While dismissing a criminal appeal for lacking merit, His Lordship in a case of E. Ayyana versus State of Andhra Pradesh, a division bench judgment, affirmed the principle that basing on the dying declaration alone, conviction can be certainly be recorded, and found the accused guilty of the offence under 302 of the IPC. With these words, I would like to extend my heartiest wishes to Your Lordship for a successful tenure and term of office in the Hon'ble High Court of Madras. I guarantee Your Lordship that you will receive full support from the bar members so that your fulfillment of judicial duties would be met. Before concluding, I would like to refer to a verse in Tamil in Mudurai by a well-known poet, a lady poet Avaya, several hundred years ago. Mannanum Masara Katronum Sirdukin, Mannanil Katron Sirapudayan, Mannarku Tandesam Allal Sirapillai, Katrorku Chendra Vidamlam Sirapu. This means if a learned man and the king is assessed, the learned man will triumph over the king, for the king is held in esteem only in his own country, but the learned are held in high esteem wherever they go. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity, once again in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, I welcome Your Lordship to this esteemed High Court. I hope that Your Lordship's presence will benefit the legal community, litigants, and the public as well. Your Lordship's years of legal expertise, judicial experience, and vast erudition would also be beneficial to this institution. I wholeheartedly wish Your Lordship success with this Hon'ble Court and all future endeavors to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of the prestigious Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Sambasiva Rao, Judge of the Telangana High Court, Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraj Nagarjun, who serves as a Judge of the Telangana High Court and now taken oath as Judge of the Chartered Madras High Court, and his family members, Mr. Shanmugh Sundaram, Senior Advocate, Advocate General, Mr. A.R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, and all Additional Advocate Generals, Mr. S.N. Muhammad Jinnah, the Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. V. Karthigeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, the Co-Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the President, Madras Advocate Association, Mr. V. R. Kamalnathan, the President, Madras Bar Associations, Mrs. Louisal Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association, Mr. Selvaraj, President, the Law Associations, former member of the BCI, Mr. Rajendran from Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, other President Secretaries of all Bar Advocate Association, the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, senior advocates, members of legal fraternity, and other dignitaries on the dais and of the dais, good morning to all. As the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, it is immense pleasure for me to welcome and to participate in the swearing-in ceremony. I am gratified to welcome and wish our newly appointed judge of this prestigious Madras High Court. The Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraj Nagarjun was born on 15th day of August 1962 in Andhra Pradesh. The Honorable Judge completed law course at SS Law College, Gulbarga. Further study of the Honorable Judge in PG Diploma, LLM, research studies in the University of various countries, and obtained doctorate in law. That shows the curiosity of the Honorable Judge in pursuing legal knowledge. The Honorable Judge got enrolled in the year of 1986 and established practice at almost all sites. The Honorable Judge served both the judiciary as well as administrative sites in the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana, the former Chief Justice of India, appreciated the Honorable Judge for the efficacious works in setting up the International Arbitration and Mediation Center and for drafting its trust deed. The Honorable Judge has passed several orders during his tenure in the Telangana High Court while disposing the writ petition with regard to the registration of the documents by the sub-registrar. The Honorable Judge has pinpointed about Section 71 of the Registration Act in 1908 and observed that it will be open to the registering authority to refuse or to receive the document presented before him, but shall duly assign the reason in support of such decision. The same shows that the Honorable Judge disposes the cases by analyzing the legality involved in the issues and giving solution for similar nature of cases. The swearing of the Honorable Judge comes under the array of the other eminent judges of the prestigious Madras High Court. The people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are greatly benefited due to the judicious service of the Honorable Judge. And the same manner, the people of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry are going to get justice from the Honorable Judge. A quote by Dr. Justice D.Y. Chanchur, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, I quote, "The law is not a respecter of social, economic, or political status, and every litigant who seeks access to justice has to be treated evenly." I unquoted. We hope the Honorable Judge will uphold the above principle for the access to justice to the all litigant public. In the Bar Council of more than 1,25,000 advocates have enrolled and nearly 85,000 advocates are actively practicing for the welfare of the legal fraternity. The Bar Council has introduced several welfare measures and conducting a coaching class for the judicial aspirants. As the Chairman Bar Council, I assure our fullest cooperation for the smooth function of the judiciary. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, On behalf of the entire legal fraternity, once again I welcome and wish newly appointed Honorable Judge for the continued success in the future endeavor. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges of this Honorable High Court, Justice Sambasiva Rao Naidu from Telangana High Court, Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General, Mr. R. Shankara Narayanan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. Amulraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Velu Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. V.R. Kamalanathan, President, Madras Bar Association, Mrs. Louisa Ramesh, President, Women Lawyers Association, Mr. Selvaraj, President, Law Association, Office Bearers of Madurai Bar Association, members of the Telangana Bar Council, Mr. Rajendra Reddy, former BCI member, and members of Telangana Bar. My Lord, the Honorable Justice Devaraj Nagaraju, the erudite Madras Advocate Association, High Court Advocate Association, welcomes you, my Lord, to this great chartered High Court. Your Lordship's rich experience in subordinate judiciary and in registry of Telangana High Court and as a judge of Telangana High Court will take Madras High Court to great heights. We assure, my Lord, that the bar will extend all its cooperation for the speedy disposal of cases. On this occasion, it is glad to inform that the part of Avai Shanmugam Salai, which is in Madras, has been renamed as V.P. Raman Salai, who is a legend in the Madras Bar. Once again, on behalf of the Madras High Court Advocate Association and on behalf of our Secretary, Mr. R. Krishna Kumar, Vice President R. Sudha, I welcome your Lordship to this esteemed Chartered High Court. Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras Bar Association to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, companion judges, my Lord Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun, my respected Advocate General Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Senior Advocate, Additional Solicitor General Mr. R. Shankara Narayanan, Senior Advocate, Additional Solicitor General Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Advocate Generals and Law Officers of the State and Central, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. P.S. Amulraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and its members, Mr. G. Monakrishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association and its office bearers, Mrs. Lucille Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association and its office bearers, Mr. P. Selvaraj, President, Law Association and its office bearers, senior advocates and members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. On behalf of the oldest bar association in the country, the Madras Bar Association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure in extending your Lordship a very warm and hearty welcome on your assumption of office as Honorable Judge of this Chartered High Court. Your Lordship's rich experience on the administrative side and as well as your vast educational qualification on varied fields of law will surely be an asset to our Honorable High Court in the dispensation of justice. Both the states of Tamil Nadu and the composite state of Andhra Pradesh had judges serving on other states on transfer ever since the formation of state of Andhra Pradesh in the year 1956. In fact, the first Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh was from our Madras High Court, Koka Subba Rao, who later on went on to become a Chief Justice of India. Many honorable judges were transferred from High Court of Andhra Pradesh. In the year 1994, Honorable Justice Y. Venkatachalam. In the year 2001, Honorable Justice B. Subhashan Reddy, who later became a Chief Justice of Madras High Court. In the year 2006, Honorable Justice L.P. Dharmarao and Justice M.E.N. Patrudu. In the year 2016, Honorable Mr. Justice Nuti Ramon Rao were transferred from High Court of Andhra Pradesh to the Honorable Madras High Court. Likewise, in the year 2001, Honorable Dr. Justice A.R. Lakshmanan was transferred and elevated as Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh. From there, he was elevated to Supreme Court of India. In the recent days, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramaniam was transferred from Madras High Court in the High Court of Andhra and Telangana during 2017, who is presently adorning the bench of Honorable Supreme Court of India. It is like the Honorable Judge is coming to his parent High Court. It's like homecoming. The impartial conduct of judicial administration is laid down by the famous saint Thiruvalluvar in Tirukkural. Saman செய்து சீர்தூக்கும் கோல் போல் அமைந்துருபால் கோடாமை சான்றோர் கனி. To inclined to neither side but to rest impartial as the even fixed scale is the ornament of the wise. The Madras Bar Association assures the Honorable Judge that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of our duty as the Judge of this Honorable High Court. Madras Bar Association wish the Honorable Judge a successful, satisfying and a memorable tenure of office as in the High Court of Madras. Thank you, one and all. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Women Lawyers Association to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges, Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, Additional Solicitor General, State Public Prosecutor and other law officers, Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman All India Bar Council, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, President Madras Bar Association, President Law Association, former judges and family members of honorable judges and other dignitaries present here. On this special day, on behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I am proud to extend my warm and humble welcome to Honorable Dr. Justice Thiru Devaraju Nagarjun to this great Chartered High Court. It is apt to quote a world-renowned Tirukkural in Tamil. Karuviyum kalamum seigayum seyyum aruvinayum maandadu அமைச்சு பொருள் செயலுக்குரிய கருவியும் ஏற்ற காலமும் செய்யும் வகையும் செய்யப்படும் அரிய செயலும் சிறப்புடைய செய்ய வல்லது சிறந்த நீதியாம். In English, one who can make excellent choice of means, time, manner of execution and discharge his duties correctly is called justice. On behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I once again proud to welcome Honorable Justice to this Chartered High Court. We assure we will give our sincere prayers and support your Lordship. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, Madam. I request the President, Law Association to give welcome address.
Milord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice and his companion judges of this Honorable High Court. Milord, Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun, Land Advocate General through R. Shanmugasundaram, Land Advocate Additional Solicitor General of South Zone through R. Sankara Narayanan, Land Additional Advocate Solicitor General for the High Court of Madras through A. R. Sundaresan, Land Additional Advocate Generals, Land Public Prosecutor through Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Government Pleader through Muthukumar, through Mohan Das, Public Prosecutor Pondicherry, through Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader Pondicherry, and other law officers of the Honorable Madras High Court, through S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, through Amal Raj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, through G. Mohan Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, through V. R. Kamalanathan, President of the Madras Bar Association, through Louis Al Ramesh, President Women's Lawyer Association, and all office bearers of the associations, former judges of this Honorable High Court, government advocates, respected senior advocates and other dignitaries, members of legal fraternity who are all present here and connected virtually. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the Law Association, I take this opportunity with a great pleasure to welcome Your Lordship Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun to this prestigious court and highly enlightened land of Tamil Nadu. It is always a special occasion when a new judge is sworn into this prestigious court. We are all sure that Your Lordship will have a very successful time at the High Court, and it is our earnest hope that Your Lordship will relish your time at the Madras High Court. As the President of the Law Association, I assure you, my Lord, our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as the judge of this Honorable High Court. The Law Association wishes Your Lordship a successful tenure of office in our High Court. Once again, on behalf of the Law Association, I welcome you, my Lord, Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarajan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the Honorable Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun to give reply.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, my learned brother and sister judges of the Chartered High Court, including the judges sitting in Madurai bench, Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, the Advocate General, Mr. P.S. Amalraj, the Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. G. Mohanakrishnan, the President Madras High Court Advocates Association, Mr. V.R. Kamalnathan, the President Madras Bar Association, Ms. Louise Ramesh, the President Women's Lawyers Association, Mr. L. Sengwattan, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing wrongly, the President of Law Association, Mr. Prabhakaran, the President Tamil Nadu Law Association, Lund Senior Counsel and other members of the bar, law officers, registrars of the High Court led by other registrars, judicial officers, Mr. Samsur Naidu, who has come all the way from Hyderabad to be present and witness this swearing ceremony, and all my friends who have come from Hyderabad in various capacities by leaving this holiday, working date for them, and family members and friends, present media, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for the warm welcome. I wholeheartedly thank my Lord the Acting Chief Justice for administering me the oath of office today. I thank the Learned Advocate General and presidents of the various bar associations for their kind words and wishes bestowed on me, which certainly shows their affection towards me. I am really grateful to them for welcoming me to this great chartered esteemed High Court. I am honored to have been entrusted with the responsibility of being judge of this chartered High Court. The Madras High Court is one of the oldest and most prestigious high courts in the country, which has got a rich history dating back to 1862. This High Court has established a reputation of its commitment for upholding the Constitution of India and has played a key role in shaping the legal landscape. Its contribution to the legal system of the country is actually immense. It has been the forefront of landmark judgments that have actually far-reaching impact on the society. The judiciary plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law and protecting the rights and freedoms of these individuals. An advocate is an integral part of the administration of justice. A successful lawyer has always been held not in high esteem, not because he has succeeded and accumulated wealth, but because of his knowledge, wisdom, brilliant intellect, courtcraft. This Madras High Court is very fortunate to have a legal luminaries of high degree of intellect and legal acumen. I hail from Vanapati town, as is described by Learned Advocate General and other speakers, which is a small town in Telangana state. I studied my education in Telugu medium right from my primary to the graduation, and after enrolling as an advocate in 1986, I joined the chambers of my father, who has been practicing in all three sides. He has actually taught me, guided me, and told me everything about the legal aspects, including the fundamentals of law. I was recruited as a district munsif in 1991. Subsequently, during the course of my tenure as a senior civil judge, I was selected as World Peace Scholar for doing research in international peace and conflict resolution, which I did from one of the prestigious Ivy League universities of University of Berkeley United States of America. During the course of research, I also did MA in Asian Studies and also MA in International Law again, which in fact I did from Usmania University during my studies. After returning from United States of America, I also continued my research and submitted my thesis in one of the Nalsar University of Hyderabad, you all know, where I was presented a PhD in the year 2014, one of the subjects of the international law. After serving for about 24 years as a judicial officer in different capacities, I was drawn to work as a registrar administration in the year 2015. Subsequently, I was asked to work as a registrar judicial, registrar recruitment, and finally as a registrar general before I was elevated as a judge of the High Court on 24th March 2022. It's not joy that makes us grateful. It's gratitude that makes us joyful. I am grateful to the honorable members of the collegium headed by Honorable Justice N.V. Ramana, the then Honorable Chief Justice of India, for recommending my name to the government for appointing me as a judge of High Court. I am not sure whether, while giving a reply to the welcome, I can make a mention of few personalities who actually shaped my life up to this stage. Nevertheless, I proceed to mention. First and foremost, I would like to mention my father, late D. Ramakrishna Rao, and my mother, Srimati Vimala Devi, who have actually given birth to me and taught me the values of life. I am very much confident that my father must be watching this from heavens and showering his blessings. Though my mother could not make it to this on account of her ill health, my brother, Dr. Vijay Kumar, other brother Chiranjeevi, my brothers D. Bharat Kumar, Kiran, and my brothers-in-law, Kesari Hanuman, C. Pradeep Kumar, and other family members, friends, well-wishers, my dearest friend, colleague from our High Court, Mr. Samsiv Naidu, advocate and other advocates from Hyderabad are present here personally to greet me after taking oath. I am really grateful to them for coming all the way on their leaving their busy working schedule. I also thank Mr. Ramakant, Registrar Recruitment and Infrastructure, who was officially asked to accompany me and be present in this program. My elder daughter, Dr. Apurva Devaraj, my son-in-law, Mr. Manukrant, my younger daughter, Aishwarya Devaraj, my son-in-law, Mr. Ravikaran, they could not make it on account of their professional obligations. All of them are in United States of America. I thank them for their best wishes. We all know that the judges often face high level of stress and pressure in their work. This is where the support of spouse comes into picture. My beloved wife, Srimati Amulya, who is present here, has played a significant role ever since I became a judicial officer in the year 1991 by providing emotional support, managing the home and family. Without her sacrifice and dedication, I would not have been achieved my professional goals. I look forward to the cooperation in working with each and every one of you, and I will ensure for ensuring that the justice is served fairly and impartially. I will strive to discharge my duties with utmost sincerity, dedication, and humility. I am committed to performing my duties with utmost professionalism. I thank once again my Lord the Acting Chief Justice, my colleague judges sitting here, and also online from Madurai, and I hope for wholeheartedly welcoming to me to the judicial family. I am really excited to begin this journey with you all. One of my colleagues from Hyderabad sent me a message this morning. I quote, "Behind every strong person, there is a story that gave him two choices, sink or swim. I feel that I am strong enough to swim even oceans. You will give the judgment when I demit the office about my performance." Thank you all once again for wonderful presence at my swearing ceremony. I wish you all the very best and have a good day, and a safe journey back home. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord? National anthem.
Jala
President,